Cats purr for a variety of reasons, and this soft, soothing sound is one of the most endearing qualities of our feline companions. While humans often associate purring with contentment or pleasure, the truth is that cats purr in many different situations, some of which may surprise you. Understanding why cats purr and the different contexts in which they do so can help deepen our connection with them and shed light on their complex communication methods. At its core, purring is a form of communication. Cats use purring as a way to convey different emotions, needs, or even physical states. It's a sound that is made by the rapid contraction and relaxation of the muscles within a cat's larynx, or voice box. This causes the vocal cords to vibrate, producing the low-frequency sound that we associate with purring. While the mechanics of purring are relatively well understood, the reasons behind it can be quite varied. One of the most commonly cited reasons that cats purr is to express contentment and happiness. Many cats will purr when they are being petted, cuddled, or sitting in their owner's lap. This purring is typically associated with positive feelings, and it's a way for a cat to express that they are relaxed, comfortable, and enjoying their interaction with you. If your cat purrs when you scratch behind their ears or gently stroke their back, it's a clear sign that they are happy and content. This type of purring is often accompanied by other signs of relaxation, such as a slow blink, a wagging tail, or a relaxed posture. However, purring isn't always a sign of happiness. Cats also purr when they are anxious, frightened, or in pain. It may seem counterintuitive, but some cats purr in situations where they are feeling stressed or uncomfortable. For example, a cat that is at the vet's office might start purring while being examined or receiving treatment, even though they are likely nervous or in discomfort. Similarly, cats that are in pain, either from an injury or a chronic health condition, may purr as a way of self-soothing. Purring in these situations is thought to help cats calm themselves and manage their stress, providing a sense of comfort when they are feeling vulnerable. In some cases, cats also purr as a way of asking for attention or care. If a cat is feeling unwell, they might purr to let their owners know that they need help. Cats are known to be masters of hiding their pain, and when they are injured or sick, they may not always show outward signs of distress. Instead, they might purr as a way of signaling that something is wrong and that they need assistance. This type of purring can often be accompanied by other subtle signs, such as a decrease in activity, loss of appetite, or a change in grooming habits. Interestingly, purring also appears to have a healing or therapeutic effect on cats. Studies have shown that the frequency of a cat's purr, typically between 25 and 150 Hz, may promote the healing of bones, reduce inflammation, and help with tissue regeneration. This is one of the reasons that some people believe cats purr to help themselves heal when they are injured or ill. The vibrations produced by purring may stimulate the production of growth factors that promote tissue repair and bone strength. As a result, cats might instinctively purr to speed up their recovery when they are hurt or unwell. Purring can also serve as a bonding mechanism between a mother cat and her kittens. Newborn kittens are unable to see or hear well, but they can feel vibrations. When a mother cat purrs, it not only reassures her kittens but also provides a sense of security and warmth. Kittens will often purr in response to their mother's purring as a way to communicate with her and express their own contentment. In this case, purring is a way of reinforcing the bond between mother and offspring, promoting closeness and trust. This is also why many adult cats will continue to purr when they are around other cats or people they trust, maintaining social bonds throughout their lives. The act of purring can also serve as a tool for communication in other social contexts. Cats are solitary animals by nature, but they are also social creatures that form strong bonds with their owners and, in some cases, with other cats. When cats purr in the presence of other cats or animals, it can be a sign of friendliness or a non-threatening gesture. For example, a cat that is introduced to a new environment might purr to signal that they are not a threat and that they are open to social interaction. Purring can thus serve as a way of establishing peace and avoiding conflict in social settings, helping cats to navigate their relationships with other animals. While the reasons for purring are numerous, one thing is clear: purring is an incredibly important aspect of a cat's communication repertoire. Whether they are expressing happiness, seeking comfort, or trying to heal, cats use purring as a multifaceted tool to navigate their world. It's a sound that can mean many different things depending on the situation, and it's one of the most unique and fascinating aspects of feline behavior. By paying attention to the context in which your cat is purring, you can gain a deeper understanding of their emotional state, needs, and overall well-being. In the end, the purr is an essential part of what makes cats so special. It's a sound that soothes both the cat and the person who hears it, creating a sense of calm and connection. Whether your cat is purring contentedly in your lap or purring to soothe itself after a stressful experience, it's a reminder of the special bond between humans and their feline companions. Purring is not just a noise, it's a form of communication, a method of healing, and a testament to the unique ways in which cats express themselves. Understanding why cats purr is just one more way we can deepen our relationship with these fascinating creatures and ensure they live happy, healthy lives.